Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for you for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, this case is made by WISMAT. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the WISMAT Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra case. This is the clear one with the black bumper. Pretty slim, flexible TPU. And this is $10.99 on Amazon Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the package that comes in. Pretty simple, plain plastic wrapper there. Got a little foam inside, and then a warranty card, 1-year warranty card. Put that to the side right there. All right, so this is the case right here. You got that black bumper. It's shiny, and it's got some. It's a little sticky because it's sort of a gel type feeling, but it's pretty stiff. It's a little soft in this area where the buttons are, and I've noticed a lot of the Galaxy S21 cases are. You got your opening for your charging port, you got your groove for your mic right there, your speaker, and these are reinforced corners right here. You can see that, and you got a little feet on the bottom right there. Nothing on this side, pretty clean. You got your opening for your mics up top, and you got your volume up and down rocker and your power button. That's kind of open a little bit right there. I don't see any other branding on this case. Now, you do have opening for the camera, and it's raised up, so it's going to be protected. And you got little feet on the corner to keep the back off of the surfaces so that won't get too scratched up. All right. Now, let's get this plastic off, and then we'll put the phone inside and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the S21 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put it inside. See what it looks like on in the case. Hopefully the fit is nice and tight. So it's got a pretty snug fit, not too bad. It doesn't add too much bulk. Now you got some raised lip area there, not too high, not too intrusive. The side comes up pretty high so it can protect the screen, and you should still be able to get a screen protector on. The camera, it is raised up, so it's going to be protected. It comes up there just a little bit. You can see that disappears when I put it flat. All right, you see that? So it does disappear when you put it flat. But it now the one way I really check this to make sure that it's not going to be scratching the screen is I use a card or some flat surface, and I slide it across the top of the camera. And if you get no resistance, that means you're not catching anything, right? So it is flat. You can see that right there. It slides off pretty good. Slides over pretty good. All right. Now, but you also have these feet on the back, if you can see that right there on the corners, that raise up the corners too. So that's going to keep the back off the surface. All right, pretty neat. And the sides are kind of contoured a little bit. You got a first and second groove right there, but it still feels pretty good in the hand. I can't complain about that. Now, you also have the opening as well situated for the mic and the charging port and the speaker. And you know, I think it's a pretty decent case. You know, I could work with this. As you can see, it looks pretty good. You can still see through the back, see the Samsung nomenclature. Now, I'm not sure what there's two little holes here for. I don't know if that's for a lanyard or what, but you got two little holes in the back. I didn't see anything in the instructions that talks about that, but that's what it is. And it's got a little grip because it's not too slippery. So that's pretty cool. But all in all, it's a good case. Let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger out. Let's put this on. All right, so wireless charging works in the flat position. Let's put it in the standing position and see what happens there. All right, so it picked it up, no problem. Let's lay it down on the side. Okay, so still pick it up, no problem right there. All right, so wireless charger worked pretty well with this case. Okay, so that was a quick look at the WISMAT clear case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a pretty good case. I like it. I think I'll be using it. And I think it fits the phone really well. All right. So if you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.